Hey, good day, folks. How there is Olushola Davis in the studio. You are all welcome to today's tutorial. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about some magical lines you can use to create your presence as a guitarist, especially when you are playing on a song that is made up of chord 1, 4, 1, then 5. Please, I would like you to click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any video update. Let's get to class and drag up those lines. So the first line goes like this. That's the first variation. The second variation. Now the breakdown. Then chord 4 arpeggio. Then you link it up to your chord 5. Then the chord 5 arpeggio. Again. Do ti la ti so la fa do fa la mi re mi do la so ti re so re ti do ti la so la fa do fa la. Second one now. Mi re do la so ti re so re so. All together slowly. So the second lick goes like this. So it's a sweep on your chord 1. So you sweep it, something like that. You play the arpeggio of your chord 1. Do mi so mi do so. So do mi so mi do so fa la do for your chord 4 rather. Do mi re do la so mi re. Pentatonics. Then you move to a double stop. Slowly. Then the second variation. Do, re. You slide it back. All together slowly. So the next lick goes like this. Before the lick, there's a band jam together. So la ti do ti la so la ti do ti mi do la so fa la do la mi so mi do ti re ti so fa. So to break it down. So it goes like this. Mi so mi re do, a pentatonics, then la so, then fa la do. All together slowly. This next lick is of 3 variations. The first one goes like this. That's the first one. The second one is. The third variation is. So slowly. the third part. So that's third part is just like a pentatonic. Re mi re re do la so 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 do 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 fa la mi do mi re do ti re mi re do la so 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 do 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 fa la mi do mi re do ti then do 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 so la fa mi re mi fa so mi do mi re do ti so do do. So to round it up, we are introducing a note that is not part of the major scale harmony, and the lick goes like this. So the breakdown is this: mi so mi re do fa do ti do fa. That to is a borrowed note from a chromatic kind of scale. Then we incorporate it into our major harmony from a pentatonic mi so mi re do fa do ti do fa. So trying to create a pedal note with do ti do ti do again. Mi so re do fa do ti do fa mi fa re do so re so mi so re do fa do ti do fa mi fa re do so re so. Now, as it was played in the song, it goes like this. Back to the one. So all together. Second variation. First variation back. Hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. I would like you to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell so as for you not to miss any video update for any upcoming video. Have a nice day.